Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting and practical: how to transfer your XRP from Webull to a personal wallet in 2025. If you're holding XRP on Webull and want to take full control of your assets, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. With crypto regulations and platforms evolving, it's more important than ever to secure your investments. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Webull account with XRP in it, and a compatible crypto wallet like Trust Wallet or Ledger that's ready to receive funds. Double check that your wallet supports XRP. Most do, but it's always good to verify. Step 1. Log into your Webull app or website. Head over to the Crypto or Assets section. Look for your XRP holdings and select them. This is where you'll initiate the transfer process. Next, find the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It might be under a menu like Actions or Trade. Once you're there, enter the wallet address you want to send your XRP to. Pro tip: always copy and paste the address to avoid any typos that could send your crypto into the void. Now, for step 3. Specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, especially on the XRP ledger, so check the estimated costs first to avoid surprises. Review all the details carefully, double-check the address and amount, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit tight. The transfer could take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your wallet to confirm when the XRP arrives. A quick word of caution: always use reputable wallets and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Webull to your wallet in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.